We are live.
Hello everyone, this is my first live on TikTok. I hope it will go well. We're gonna do arithmetic sequence, grade 12. But it's not a new topic in grade 12. We've been doing patterns, I think, from grade 1. So, but we've been calling this particular one linear pattern. So in grade 12, they started having a fancy name. You know maths most, they come up with these things. So it's called arithmetic sequence. The word sequence, it means pattern. So this is an arithmetic sequence. In grade 12, they actually gonna give you a formula. In the formula sheet, you can use any type. Tn is equals to A. Very important, there's a plus n minus 1 times d. There's no sign there. A is the first term. D is the difference between two terms, two consecutive terms that follow each other. And n is the position of the nth term in the sequence. So it's not the value of the term, but the position. Is it the first one, the third one, the fifth one, the 10th one? So here you're going to write the position of the term. A, get your pattern, first term. D, you calculate D all the time. I'm going to show you in the question paper. In your question paper, in grade 12, you're always going to be given the formula sheet. And then the formula sheet for paper 1 and paper 2, they give you the same formula sheet. You need to know where to find things. When you look at your formula sheet, the first one is the quadratic formula, which you're going to use a lot. And then this is financial maths, then there. This is your arithmetic sequence formula. You always have it. Don't memorize it. Don't write it off by head. Go to your formula sheet and look for it. Are we fine? Okay. What I've done for you here, I've done an example. Quite simple example. One example, nothing fancy for our first live. So it says, in the following sequence, determine the 21st term. Now, what is my sequence? This is very important. When the sequence is written for you in the question paper or in the textbook, first sequence, then a semicolon. The next sequence, then a semicolon. The next sequence, then a semicolon. The sequence will go like that. Then what they will do here, they'll write 3 dots. What they are saying to you is that the sequence, or what you normally used to know, was the pattern continues. So your first term here, your A is 4. But your second term is 4 plus 2x. This whole thing, that's your second term. How do you tell? Semicolons. Now, they say we must determine the 21st term. Our A is the first term is 4. Our N, how many terms do we have? They've given us the 21. So our N is 21. Our D, we have to calculate D. The formula for calculating D in grade 12, they will not give you marks for writing D is equals to term 2 minus term. They won't give you marks for this. Term 2 minus term 1. Or term 3 minus term 2. This is what you must know off by heart. They will not give you marks. So what they will give you marks for is to say D is equals to, then you take any 2 consecutive terms. When I say consecutive terms, I mean terms that follow each other. You start with the bigger term, term 3 minus term 2, or term 2 minus term 1. In my question, I'm going to opt for term 2 minus term 1. So my term 2 is 4 plus 2x minus, then I open bracket, because I need to write the whole of the term 1. But in this question, term 1 is just one term. Okay, so I have 4 plus 2x minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, they'll cancel each other. So my D is 2x. Now, please always write this off from the formula sheet. Do not memorize it. You'll always have your formula sheet. Then write it straight from the formula sheet and don't make mistakes. Now, which term did they want us to do? They want us to do term 21. So it's T21 is equals to my first term. Always the first term is your A. My first term is 4 plus my N, how many terms? 21 minus 1. This minus 1 comes with a formula. So you'll write 21 minus 1 with a formula. And then D, you have to calculate D before you come to the formula. We have done that already. That's your 2x. Also, very important, always put this in brackets. Because if it was negative, then you write a negative without brackets. You make it a term. And when you have brackets like this, it's factors. It means you multiply this 2x with everything inside the bracket. So we have 4 plus, this will be 20. 21 minus 1 will be 20 times 2x. 21 times 2x will be plus 2 times 2 will be 40x. So this is your 21st term. The 21st term will be 4 plus 40x. This is the end of our lesson. Okay. This is it. It was my first, so I wanted to see how will I go about. Thank you for watching. Bye.